Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is Diwali Special DIY. I'm taking two pieces of packaging board. You can take cardboard also. Now taking the measurement of 2.1 centimeter, I'm drawing a circle here. Then taking the measurement of 4 centimeter, I'm drawing circle again. Then follow what I am doing. Then from center mark 6 centimeter mark on the lines. Then drawing petal-like structure to make it a perfect shape. Then I'm cutting the inner circle with cutter and drawing one another 4 centimeter circle on the other board. Now cut the shapes carefully. Now just fixing with glue. Now for the design part I am taking molded clay favicryl. Now follow the process what I am doing here. It is very simple and easy as well. I am using clay tool here. You can use knife or any flat surface to make the designs as well. Now it's time for coloring. I am using favicryl red acrylic color. I am using favicryl metallic gold acrylic color for the designs. Let it dry and then apply varnish on it. I'm using mirrors to decorate the candle stand. I've already followed the same process and made another with green color. So my colorful candle stands are ready for Diwali. I hope you like this video and please like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel. I hope you all make this super easy candle stands for this Diwali. Thanks for watching. Happy Diwali to all of you.